Welcome to IT Revision Hub. Today I am going to show you how to upgrade Juniper firmware using a FTP server. In my last video, I have showed you how to upgrade Juniper EX series switch firmware using a USB stick. Today I am going to show you how to upgrade the Junos OS software on EX switch by copying the software package locally on the switch. Now we'll start the putty and get connected to the Juniper switch. Now we'll go to the edit and we'll check the interface. Here I am going to show you how to configure a IP address to the management interface. In my switch, ME0 is the management interface. Now I am going to give a IP address for that particular management port. I will use 10.10.10.1 as the IP address of the management port. Now I am going to enable Telnet and SSH for this switch. Now we'll commit the configuration. Now we'll see the configured IP address by using the interface test command. Here you can see the IP is configured, but the interface is down. Now we'll use an IP address for the laptop in the same range and we'll connect the laptop to the management port. Now you can see the interface is up. The management interface is up. Now we'll use the command prompt and check whether the management port is pingable. It is pingable now. Now we can use the WinSCP tool to get connected to the EX series switch using SFTP. We'll use the hostname as the 10.10.10.1 and the username as the root and the password. Now we can connect it to the EX series switch. We'll go to the temp folder and copy the firmware to the temp directory. Now we'll copy the Junos OS to the temp directory. Now the Junos OS is copied. Now we'll use request system software, add no copy and the package name. to install the copied software. When we use no copy here, it won't keep any copy of the firmware in the EX series switch. We'll get the name of the firmware. Here we need to use the full path and the firmware name as the package name. Here you can see the system is validating the Junos image. Here there's an error. This is due to the system date. Now we'll change the system date. This is the date format. Now we'll use the same command to install the package. Now you can see the package is installing without an error. The new version of the firmware is Junos EX 4300 21.4R3.15. Now we'll see what is the existing firmware or the existing Junos OS version of this EX series switch. For that we can use show version command. Here you can see 13.2 X51 is the existing Junos OS firmware version in this switch. Now we'll use request system reboot command to reboot the switch. Now the Junos OS installation process is started. Here you can see the package is installing one by one. Now the system is rebooted. We can use the username as the root and the password is blank. Here now you can see the new firmware version 21.4.r3 is installed into our device. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please press the subscribe button below and press the bell icon.